Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a disassembly and reassembly of a Springfield XD9 service model. This gun is comparable to a Glock, but in terms of the disassembly and reassembly, I think this is better than the Glock because it's easier. Okay, so the gun is clear. This is the takedown lever. Just pull it up. Pull down the slide release so that the slide goes forward. Pull the trigger. And then there you go. Okay. It has a metal recoil guide, has a recoil spring and a metal guide rod. So this is the basic disassembly process of the Springfield XD9. To put it back together, put the barrel in first, guide rod, and then make sure that the takedown lever is up. Just slide it in. Pull the slide back forward. Slide, takedown lever, put it down. That's it. So that's how you disassemble and assemble a Springfield XD9. Thanks for watching.